Hello, Rosalie here with Rockstar Pools. Let's have a quick discussion about the design process and bidding your pool project. First and foremost, this is exciting. Let's have fun with it. If you've never had a swimming pool built before, a lot of this information will be helpful to you in understanding the terminology, phases, and milestone points that are so important for a successful project. Number one, you've already completed it, and it's the most important. You are seriously considering Rockstar Pools as your partner in creating this awesome swimming pool project. There are many contractors out there. Deciding which one matches up with your goals and ideals is extremely important. Number two, fill out the online contact request on our website, as well as answer the questions in our preliminary client survey that will help all of us determine if we are all a good match to continue in the design process. Number three, once Rockstar Pools receives your contact request and a completed survey, one of our team will contact you right away to have a phone conversation and see if setting up an in-person design meeting is the best next step. Number four, an initial design appointment will be set up with you and your spouse or partner. It's very important that we have both of you at this design meeting. Your input is very necessary. These design meetings will be set during daytime business hours during the week. Weekend appointments are not offered. Number five, the design meeting will often take from 30 to 90 minutes. We will discuss all sorts of details about what you are hoping to achieve. It's helpful to the process if you've saved up some photos from magazines, the internet, or Pinterest of specific design features, styles, colors, and accessories that have caught your eye, so that we can discuss them with you and incorporate them into our finished design. If your home is a new home under construction or soon to be under construction, please bring a scaled set of construction plans containing the house footprint and property lines. At this meeting, Rockstar Pools will be asking you many questions about what a typical sunny afternoon at your completed swimming pool will look like. We use that information to design the project to your ultimate desire. At the conclusion of this design meeting, the Rockstar Pools designer will be able to give you a budget range of what we expect your project to cost. It is at this point that we will need your feedback if this budget range expectation is in line with your actual budget tolerances. If so, your affirmation will give us the go-ahead to begin actual design and estimation in detail of your project. Number six, typically within a week of having your initial design meeting, your designer will have a preliminary pool and backyard hardscape design ready to show you along with a construction proposal. Another in-person appointment will need to be scheduled to sit down and go over the design and proposal in detail. Again, both you and your spouse or partner will need to be in attendance. It is at the conclusion of this meeting that you give us the thumbs up to proceed with drawing up construction documents, drawing up the construction plans, creating the documents for submitting for the building permit, and ordering the job-specific engineering. Our proposal will have a place for your signatures, and a deposit check will be collected. Once we have these things squared away, we are off and running to get all of this work done and get the building permit submitted. Number seven, at this point, the next most important task to complete is the selection of the specific materials that you are choosing for your pool. Oftentimes, these selections can be made the same day that you see the design and proposal. But we often set up another appointment to spend time going over the details and selections of the pool tile, coping material, decking materials, and plaster materials. All of these materials come in different styles and colors, and we want to make sure all of it really works well together. Well, that wraps up the description of the design project for your pool project. Let's get this process started so you can go swimming.